Fire in the hole, let's cook some brunch. Stay tuned. Bacon roasting on an open fire. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard barbecue. What I'm doing for you today is we're gonna make a breakfast casserole. And this is 1 whole pound of American streaky pork belly bacon that I'm cooking up. I've got to get this cooked up and get it rather crispy. The pan's not really hot enough yet, but I couldn't wait to show you all that bacony goodness that I'm cooking. Anyway, like I said, I know you love to watch bacon cook and hear it sizzle. The pan's not quite hot enough. It's getting there though. It's getting there. And yeah, we don't have time for that. We gotta move on to the next step of this casserole. So let me get the bacon cooked up and get it out of the pan, and we'll bring you back for the next step. So stay tuned. The bacon's done out of the pan. What we got next is some Jimmy Dean pork sausage. We're gonna make sausage gravy with this. Get that Jimmy Dean sausage in there. Get it broke up and cooking. I think I'll use this thing for that. Break that sausage up. Get it fried up a little bit. Yes, sir. I love Jimmy Dean pork sausage for breakfast. That's the best stuff going right there. Yeah, let's get that cooked up. Looking good. Smelling good. Let me tell you what. Okay, stay tuned. I'll bring you back for the next step. Okay, my sausage is browned up. Now what I want to do next is take some of this stuff. This is, let me show you. This is Wondra flour. And we're going to dump some of that on there. And that's going to do a couple of things. It's going to soak up some of that sausage fat. And also, this is going to be for the gravy. This is a good, shut up you! This is a good kind of flour to use when you're making gravies and sauces. Wondra, it's sort of like granulated, and it kind of mixes well, and it cooks well. We want to get the cook the raw flour taste off of there. I think we need a little bit more of that. Dog, shut up! That dog is going to drive me crazy. All right, enough! You're going in the house. Oh, there's another dog out there. It's driving her crazy. So let me get this sausage and flour cooked up a little bit. We're going to add to that a little bit of half and half that I have here, which I should have opened ahead of time and I didn't. Sorry I didn't. Ah, yeah. I'm going to pour in about a cup, I think, of half and half in there. We'll stir it up. Stir it as we go. This is sausage gravy. The flour will thicken it. We need some salt and pepper on there. Let me get my salt and pepper over here. Oh yes, that's looking good. That's looking like sausage gravy is supposed to look right there. It's getting thick. It's a little thick. I need to thin it out a little bit with some more half and half. Using half and half ensures that it will be thick. You want your sausage gravy to be thick. Thick like my tongue. Alright, now let's get some salt and pepper on that. That's almost done. We've almost got that done. Let me get some salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. front and center. All right. Salt and pepper. There we go. Oh yeah, that's looking great. That's looking like sausage gravy to me. In case you haven't guessed yet, this is a sausage and gravy casserole with bacon and eggs. All right. I think my sausage gravy has come together. It's probably just about as good as it's going to get right there. I don't think I need to cook that any more than that. Nice and thick and delicious. Oh yeah. Normally you spoon that on top of some biscuits. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Okay, let me get that off of there, and I'll bring you back for the next step of this, so stay tuned. Okay, for the next step of this, we got to take some butter spray and spray down an aluminum pan so that the stuff doesn't stick to it. Keep it off the bottom too. There you go. Now we got to open up one of these things of biscuits. This is my favorite kind of biscuits. This is Grand Southern style. That's what I like. Let me open this package up if I can without getting it everywhere. I need to move these things away from here because I got some work to do. I need to move this up a little bit too because I got some biscuits to cut up. As soon as I get this package of biscuits open, pop! There you go. Some people are afraid of that, you wouldn't believe it. So we got to get these biscuits out of here and get them cut into quarters. Let me get these over here. I don't know, can you see that? Probably not. Yeah, I got my biscuits out. We're going to cut the biscuits into fourths. Like that. And scatter them inside that baking pan. They don't have to be placed exactly, they just have to be in the pan, in the bottom of the pan. Okay. There you go. Let me get that done, and I'll bring you back when it's finished. You don't need to see that whole thing, that whole process. Alright, the biscuits are in the pan. Now we're going to spoon some of that gravy into the pan. That sausage gravy that we made. There we go. Get that in there. Sausage and biscuit gravy. Doesn't that look good already? Get some more of that out of there. Get it all out of there, actually. Get all that biscuits and gravy out of there. Scrape that pan. Alright. Biscuits and gravy. What's better than that? I don't know if anything is. Sausage gravy. Okay. The next step is some cheese. Well, no. I think the next step is some bacon. We made all that bacon. Let's put some bacon. Let's put a layer of bacon on top of there. Get the bacon kind of crumbled up like that. Yeah, there you go. A layer of bacon. Then we can put a layer of cheese. Get some nice cheddar cheese that we can spoon on there. Cheddar. Okay. Put a bunch of that cheddar cheese on there. Okay, the next thing you want to do is we've got some eggs that I want to beat up with some milk. Uh-oh, I got a whole spoon of biscuit gravy that I missed. Oops, there it goes. Okay, what a mess I'm making. Now, let me get this eggs over here. I got about 8 small eggs. We're going to whisk that up with my tiny whisk that my cousin Marie gave me. Thanks, Marie. And we want to season that up with some salt and pepper. We want to whisk it up first. Break those eggs up. A little bit of half and half might help. Yeah, just a splash of half and half in there. Get my whisk. What a mess I'm making. But you know, I don't care. let's get some salt and pepper on there, on those eggs. Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper my eggs up a little bit. Okay. Let's whisk that up. Oh, that smells good already. I think a little bit more salt and pepper. I'm kind of winging this in case you haven't figured it out. Kind of flying blind. But it's coming along. It's coming along. One egg didn't break. I gotta really whisk those eggs up better than that. Want scrambled eggs, not sunny side up. I think I got it. I think I got it whisked up good enough. Let's see if I do or not. We'll pour it out and you'll find out. Yeah, baby. All right, let's pour that into that casserole. Nothing fancy, just pour it on in. Pour it on in everywhere. Eggs. Now, we're going to put some more bacon on there because we can. That's why. Because I want to, because I like bacon. Another layer of bacon. Why not? Crispy bacon. Want to use it all up. I don't want to leave any of it out. There it is. Okay. Some more cheese on top of that. What a mess I'm making, huh? It's cool. It's cool. It's going to all come out in the wash. Cheese layer on top. And I'm debating whether to put some biscuits on top. I think I will. I have biscuits left over, so let's get a cheese layer in there. And I'll put the rest of the biscuits on there. I'll have to cut them up. I have to make you watch that because I didn't cut them ahead of time. Here we go. Biscuits. Let's quarter them up. Lay them out on top of the cheese. We had 3 biscuits left over, so I'll quarter them up and kind of distribute them around the edges of the casserole. Yeah, baby. Quartered. Put them around the edges to make it look nice. There we go. And one there, one there. Okay. Let's see, we got more cheese, so we might as well throw it on there. Let's get that one over there. Alright, that's it. That's the casserole. All we gotta do now is put that on the fire and let it cook till everything's done. Let me show you what it looks like. It's a mess, but yeah, we're gonna get that on the fire and let it cook until the cheese is all melty and all the eggs are congealed and so forth, and we'll come back and take a taste of this. So stay tuned. Okay, I got the pan on the hot fire opposite the hot coals. We're gonna put the cover on that and let it cook. Probably take about 30 minutes or more to get those biscuits cooked and everything cooked in there. We'll be checking on it periodically as it's cooking. And I'll bring you right back when it's done. And we're going to take a taste and drink some coffee with my wife. So stay tuned. Okay, I got my casseroles done. I got my beautiful wife out here. She's going to do the taste test along with me. And I have a cup of coffee. Here's my casserole stuff. Doesn't that look good? Oh yeah. Have a bite. How is it?
Very good.
See, I got my coffee.
Delicious.
So would you eat that again?
Yes, I would.
Yeah?
Yes.
Seriously, not lying?
No, I'm not lying.
Why do you gotta lie? You don't have to lie. Tell me the truth. If you don't like it, say it.
Let me keep eating it.
Keep eating some. Let me get another bite. You hardly get any biscuit. Oh yeah, that's too much biscuit. Too much biscuit and gravy right there. Don't worry if any goes on the floor. The dog will get it.
Pretty good.
Stinky, rotten dog. Good stuff. I'll tell you what. I hooked it up this time, didn't I? You know what I always say, babies? If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up in the iCard and check out my buddy Rob, the poor guy. poor guy with the Blackstone used to be. Now he's the poor guy outdoor cooking. Anyway, she's chowing down pretty good. I think she likes it. Mikey likes it. Anyway, yeah, that's my video, babies. We'll see you next week. Bye.